So that looks secure. Just some barbecues held together by caution tape. Happy 4th of July, everybody. We are in New Smyrna Beach. We're gonna go swimming, but first we're gonna eat a little pizza salad. One of our favorite places out this way. Salad has arrived. Jesse's not allowed to touch it. That is amazing. It's like I want to just take a picture and not even eat it.
Weird.
That's for later. So this is white pizza. It's mostly just cheese. And we've got a half cheese and half pepperoni and meatball. Sausage rather. I love the way that they put the one sausage on top of every pepperoni slice. It has to be perfect. This is amazing. If you're in New Smyrna Beach, Volusia County, go to Stavros. I love their pizza. So this is the main strip of New Smyrna Beach for those that haven't been here. This is about as populated as it gets, by the way. So here's one thing that's probably weird for most people that don't live in Florida. We're allowed to drive on the beach. And that's a little crazy sometimes because people get run over. Because you get people like this that ride their bikes right into the cars. No.
Oh, someone's pulling out.
So just like that, we're here. You really can't ask for more of a gorgeous day than today. And you can feel the sun immediately. Woo! So it actually started to thunder a little bit outside, so we got out of the water. Take a look at the clouds. And then take a look at those clouds. It's probably going to do its usual afternoon thunderstorm, but you don't want to be in the water and find out. You know, Mare,
What?
why do you always have to have a black cloud hanging over your head?
I don't know.
By the way, since everybody drives on the beach, this is what it looks like when a storm comes. It's like traffic in New York City. On the sand. It's clouded out. That's crazy, right? It's been a lot of lightning over there. We're gonna get out of here. Alright, see that? Look at that cloud. Just like that, we're leaving. With the 4th of July, I'd be like, without a trip to our favorite store. That's right. It's not Target. It's not Publix.
It's Walmart.
It's the Mart of Walls. I get my fireworks at Walmart. And I like how they have to have a sign, no smoking near or around the fireworks. Are you allowed to smoke in the store?
Yeah.
You can't see me now. Can't see me at the beach.
Where'd you go? Oh, there you go.
Now you can see me? Now you can see me. Now you can't. Look at this. We're looking at sunblock and find beach defense for water and sun. Defends against signs of water damage. Because I know I get a lot of water damage when I go to the beach. Geez, this one's even better. This is sunblock for sunny days. Why the hell would I be buying sunblock if it wasn't sunny outside? So we've got a party mask that we picked up at Walmart. And what better way to celebrate the independence of America with a party mask that is made in China. Woo! We're going for a walk through the woods to get to the park. So every year our town has a big fireworks display. And by big, I mean not nearly as big as what you would see in a theme park on a daily basis, but it's the 4th of July and we're coming out to see some fireworks with the rest of the community. Cricket Wireless. Hey Mare, do you know why they call them Cricket Wireless?
No.
Because you can't hear a thing.
See us! Hamburger, cheeseburgers!
So many hot dog choices. What to do? You know what I like about this sign? Cheese dogs, $2. Sodas, $1. Nachos and cheese, $2. Agua, $1. Everything in English except for the water. Hey, I want to glow in the dark for $3. That's kind of like what happens in Springfield, right? Is there radiation in Deltona that we don't know about?
John, first place goes to John. Second place.
What can I get for you?
Hot dog, please.
I can try to make one out of lemonade.
Hamburger? No.
Maybe.
One large.
All right, very good. You guys having fun?
Awesome so
Oh,
far.
that's good. I'm ready for these fireworks to start.
Your arm must hurt after a while.
Say what?
Your arm must hurt
Oh,
after
no, like, by the end of the day, I'm like, well, I'm not lifting anything anymore. It's a good workout, though. I mean, I can't complain.
test it. Now that's pretty righteous. So, look at the sky. The camera doesn't do much justice. The sun is just about set. And that sky is incredible. It looks like cotton candy. Try to zoom in a little bit. Wow.
It's my flag. My flag. Ooh, it's blowing in the wind. But there's no wind.
I think it's a Mexican Italian Christmas fireworks. People, look at that thing. We literally, there you go. I think we've got Mothra living on the house. We need Godzilla. Godzilla. Well, it's about 11:30 and it's been a long day. We went to the beach, went and saw some fireworks, got to talk to some friends for a little bit, and we are going to wrap it up and see you guys tomorrow. We're going to head over to Disney Hollywood Studios. They've got a Guardians of the Galaxy premiere that's happening, and they got a whole bunch of stuff happening for Frozen tomorrow. So it's almost like a Star Wars Weekends, but based off of Frozen. And we're going to try to hit one of the water parks in the middle of all of that. So there's a lot of stuff going on tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching. Again, if you like what you see, click the like button. If you don't subscribe, click the subscribe button. We've always got something cool going on, and we appreciate every one of you spending time with us. Thank you.